Yo YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy Mar, and I'm back at it again with another video. But as you guys can see, we back here with the Mustang once again. If you're watching this video, if you clicked on the video, you pretty much know what's going on today. So as you guys can see, here goes the stock 5.0 badge that comes on the car. What I went ahead and did is go purchase some aftermarket ones because I'm not too big of a fan of the silver. So what I did is I went ahead and I found a black and red 5.0 emblem, and I will be putting that on the car today. So let's go ahead and show you guys the product. Also, if you're not too sure, the 5.0 is on both sides of the car, as you guys can see. And then we have the GT in the back. Right now I'm planning on, I'm basically just seeing what will look good, because I would go black, but as you guys can see, the background color is black, and you really won't be able to see the GT if I went black with the GT also. So we'll be finding something for that too. So just wait for that. I also need some tint, so I will be getting some tint really soon. Hopefully that might be in this video, but if not, we catch that in the next one. Man, the car is looking real good, so let's go ahead and get started with this video before it get a little too dark. All right guys, so here goes the package right here. All we have to do is open it up, get it out, and we can get started with this process. All right guys, so this is the black emblem that I was talking about. As you guys can see, it's the black 5.0 with the red dot. Basically how this is, just with the black. Now I believe the color is matte black. And to take off the badge, we will be using this piece of string right here just to get under the adhesive and everything. And not too sure if I need adhesive with this. It is some on the back. I'm not too sure if that's good. I know 3M is supposed to be really good, so we're just going to try this out. If we have any problems, we're just going to basically redo the badge and add some 3M tape just to make sure everything's safe. But let's get right into this video once again. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we have the first 5.0 badge taken off. So all we gotta do now is go to the other side and do the same thing. So for this, what all I've done is I have right here, as you guys can see, I went to the fishing store and I went to pick up some fishing wire. So they just cut me a free piece. So good looks to them. Oh, with this, you basically just want to go up and down and break up all the adhesive. Now most people use a heat gun, but I really don't have a heat gun with me, nor do I have a extension cord to bring it over here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use this fishing wire right here, as you guys can see, and get started with this process. But let's begin. All right, so basically what you want to do is I like to wrap it around my two fingers like this, just so I can have a good grip on it. And I am wearing some gloves because fishing wire is a little sharp and I don't want to cut myself, so I'm just playing it safe. So I like to start where the 5 is and just bring it under both sides and then go up and down through the adhesive, and also pull towards the 5.0 badge just so you don't scratch your car. But as you guys can see, it is rubbing through now, and to get the adhesive off, the leftover adhesive, if you want to go ahead and pick up some glue gun. And then we're going to go to the other side and basically do the same thing. Okay, so for the glue gun, you want to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes just to let the adhesive break off. And also you want to remember to wipe all this glue gun off after you do that, so you won't mess up your paint. But I'll see you guys in 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes now. So what you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and get a towel. So it should have been broken down now. So let's go ahead and start wiping it off. All right guys, so as you guys can see, the 5.0 badge is off, and we just have a barely tad bit of adhesive, but that's not going to hurt because we will be putting another 5.0 badge right over it. But let me show you guys the other side of the car. So as you guys see, again, just a little adhesive left. I don't know if you guys can even see through the camera, but that's not going to hurt anything. So now what you want to go ahead and do is wipe off the area that you had the glue gun on, because you want to just basically make sure that there's no more glue gun on the car and wash all that off, so we could put on a new badge. But we have the new badges in the car, so let's go ahead and get them right now so we can see how it's looking. Yo guys, so as you guys can see, new look for the 2020 Mustang GT. And if you ask me, the car is looking incredibly insane right now. Whew, man, you gotta tell me you don't love that, man. That black and white is just going crazy on each other. Try to get a little better view for you guys. Whew. Sheesh, man. So as you guys know, if you watched the video, I did go in with a new blacked out 5.0 badge, 35% front window tint, 5% all around the car, new spoiler wrap by Boulevard's Custom. Make sure to go check them out. Did an amazing job on the wrap. As you guys can see, it is a little dirty right now, but once we get it cleaned up, baby, this wing is looking crazy. And this wing is making the car 10 times more aggressive if you ask me. But man, let's just take a couple more seconds to look at the car. Sheesh. But as you guys know, I'm not going to be doing too much cosmetics on this car, so this is pretty much it cosmetic wise. Now I think it's time for some performance mods, so be sure to stay tuned for the rest of these videos. We will have some performance mod coming really soon, so be sure to stay tuned once again. But this is your boy Hemi Mar, and I'm out.